Today it's very common that most of us are using chlorine-treated water that still contains contaminants and harmful bacteria and chemicals as well. Hi, and welcome to our 13th podcast episode at Aquafeel Maryland. I'm your host, Sade, and today we're going to be discussing the benefits of installing a water purification system in your home. If you guys like our content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video and comment down below as well. Make sure you follow us on all of our social channels at Aquafeel Maryland, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Today it's very common that most of us are using chlorine-treated water that still contains contaminants and harmful bacteria and chemicals as well, and it's important that you are using clean, pure water when you're using it for drinking, cleaning, and for cooking as well. So there's a lot of benefits to using a water filtration system in your home, so we're going to go over some of the top benefits in this podcast, and we're going to get started. So the first benefit of having a water filtration system in your home is that it's reliable and it provides safe drinking water. Having a filtration system ensures that you have healthy drinking water compared to the tap water that comes straight from a water treatment facility. Water treatment plants add chemicals such as fluoride and chlorine to the water as their treatment method. The second benefit of having a water purification system in your home is that it protects the environment, meaning that you won't be using as many water bottles adding to landfills because you already have pure water in your home. So it normally takes about 450 years for plastic water bottles to disintegrate, so it's a good thing to have a water system in your home instead of using plastic water bottles. The third benefit of having a water filtration system is cost saving. If you consider the savings of a 4-person family, if each person is drinking 3 bottles of 16.9 ounces of water each day, you will save a minimum of $700 yearly. If you install a reverse osmosis system, it costs less than $200 a year. The fourth reason is that it reduces plumbing bills. Heavy metals, minerals, and chemicals in unfiltered water can cause damage to your plumbing system. This includes your water dispensers, refrigerator, ice maker, garbage disposal, dishwasher, and washing machine. The fifth benefit is that it enhances disaster preparedness, meaning that if a pipe bursts nearby, contaminants can get into the water, but that won't affect your water because you have an advanced water filtration system, so you won't have to worry about that. The sixth benefit is that it saves on soap. A water filtration system acts as in the same way as a water softener. You will need less soap to cleanse your body, dishes, and clothes. The seventh benefit improves the taste of drinking water. Water filters remove elements that can cause drinking water to have an unpleasant taste or smell. Home filtration systems improve the purity of taste of your water. The eighth benefit is that it reduces the chances of gastro diseases. Several parasites can be found in the water, and many microscopic organisms live in sources of water that aren't treated properly. Parasites that can cause intestinal and digestive problems are removed by filtration. Luckily for you guys, we have the option at Aquafeel Maryland to give you a free water test and then install the best filtration system in your home for you. Just head on over to our website at aquafeelmaryland.com and we'll get started. So that's the ending of our podcast episode. If you guys liked the topic, comment down below, and I will see you on the next podcast episode.